The body is pressurized. And what we do is we restrict the body on the outside. And then we torque. And when we breathe, it causes this twisting. And that means that it's like the body is inside moving. So underneath the skin, the body is moving because it's twisted. So to the body, it's emulating walking. Fascial maneuvers is just like walking or dancing with somebody.
So the same 3 principles really apply to any question about any issue I could have, which is functional movement, hydration, and mineralization, right? Like
There you
those
go.
3 things for every.
Yeah, and I'm glad we're having this conversation because people have this belief system that I've got to know all these different, because we're taught problem, symptom, solution. There's 500 symptoms, there's 1,000 solutions or 1,500. That's not how the body works. The body has one problem, I can't get flow. The only answer to it is to restore flow. And, even with, you guys saw all through the media with Leanne Rimes, all I did was restored flow. Her voice is better, her head is better, her body's better. I didn't do anything else. And yes, it has all of these other things. And I use all my clinical language to talk to doctors and practitioners about it. But at the core of it, what I'm doing is restoring flow. And the basic premise of Chinese medicine is restore flow. We're just doing it at a global scale. In Chinese medicine, we're putting a needle in, as an example, to create electric flow. We're doing cupping to remove a blockage so we can do flow. We're balancing an organ or a system so that the body naturally flows better. It's always restoring flow. The premise of the body is movement is life. The origin of all movement is breath. So fascial maneuvers restores breath and movement, and restoring breath and movement, the body heals itself. A fundamental principle is a Band-Aid does not heal the body. A surgery doesn't heal the body. A medication doesn't heal the body. The body heals itself. Those things help the body get to that spot faster, better, easier, quicker, etc. The cure is inside of us. Restore flow and the body will go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Great questions. That really helped out everybody. I know that.
That really helped me. Thank you.
Awesome.